gotta try harder. Oh, get over it, bitches. You gotta get off eventually.
A flight from Kentucky has just landed at Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Passengers pull out their phones to record one impatient man who insists on deplaning before he's allowed to.
Yeah. I could.
The passenger is standing in the aisle when the flight attendant asks him to take a seat.
I'm good.
He sits on the armrest, but quickly gets up and tailgates her up the aisle.
No, really. Go.
He continues to be antagonistic, coaxing other passengers to join his one-man protest against sitting.
Really? Get up. You gotta get off anyway.
When he doesn't get any takers, he decides to go it alone.
Move.
Take a seat.
Move.
Take a seat.
Move.
Take a seat.
Move.
I said take a seat, sir.
I don't want to take a seat.
I don't care what you want to do. You're going to take a seat right now.
When confronted by the pilots, he becomes even more brazen. He is not backing down.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna let you ride. Hold on. I'm gonna let you ride. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna let you ride.
Yeah, you're gonna let me by.
Sir?
But I'm gonna get by.
Sir, sit down.
without you or his
Are they
permission.
here? Close that door.
Why?
You can't get out.
Why are you closing my exit? I'm trying to help you.
I know.
They're not
I
listening.
appreciate that. Thank you.
No, please stop it. Please.
Do you mind just sitting down really quick?
No, I don't.
Sir,
I'm trying to move.
sit down. Sit down. Enough. You don't put your hands on my flight attendant. Enough.
Yep,
You hear me?
yep.
When we roll this back for another look, we see the man trying to run through the flight attendant, pushing her down. That's when this hero pilot takes action.
Sit down. Sit down. Enough. You don't put your hands on my flight attendant. Enough.
Yep.
That's it. Just
And whatever you do is going on Facebook, and you're a complete loser.
The problem passenger was found guilty of 3 misdemeanors: assault, communicating threats, and being intoxicated in public.
Enough. You don't put your hands on my flight attendant.
I'm Robert Hayes, and you just watched a Fasten Your Seatbelt video, but that's not important right now. Surely all that matters is that you subscribe to A&E's YouTube channel. Good luck. We're all counting on you.